So welcome guys to another video. In this video I will cover all the trades I had in month of April. So yeah, as you can see we had 8 trades. Was not that much trades for this month, but at least we finished with 12% and 88% win rate, so it's very good. We had 7 wins and 1 loss, as you can see, and I could have like more 2 wins. So yeah, but let's see all the trades I took. So the first one was 2 April and the trade was this one. So what we have here, price came from the 4-hour, break multiple zones, and we have break and closure above this one, and just retest 50 pips TP, we are done. The next one was 7 April, and as you can see here, was the same thing. So we had here a support below the SMA, price break, retest like sniper, and yeah. The next one was 10 April, the same thing, break many time for the retest of this zone and never closed below this zone here. So yeah, price just stepped in this zone and TP. 14, day 14 was, yeah, this one. So as you can see, break, retest, price just hit the TP and next reversed, but yeah, was like so fast to my TP. Next one, clean shot too, as you can see, above the moving average, break multiple zones, 1, 2, set the limit here, above this zone, break, retest, TP. Next one was 16. 16 was a clean shot too, so break, retest, always the same thing, break and retest. From this support here, so bearish, bullish, break, retest below the SMA, done. Here was the loss, so was directly to my SL, as you can see. Price closed above the SMA and above these two zones. I set my limit here, but price just melted to my SL. And finally the last trade of the month was this one here. So as you can see, price came from the 4-hour, break, retest. I was like so close to my SL 2 times, so price recovered, returned to my near to my SL and reversed against. So yeah, as you can see guys, this month was very clean, not that much trades, but at least we could finish with a good amount of gain and good win rate. And this trade here I will break down now. Okay, so we started the month with a win, so let's break down. So as you can see here on the calendar, yesterday was a PMI trade day, sorry. So yeah, was literally this clean shot here, as you can see, break and retest from the zone and at the same time from the SMA. So let's break down. I will delete all the zones and I will mark all again, like step by step. So as you can see here, this candle here was not closed yet and this one was not printed, so I had this candle opened, so I can't count this as a resistance yet. So I just checked where price was acting, and I see here on the left this zone here, body to wick. Okay, this body to wick, I included this zone, and this was my resistance. The support was this bearish bullish, so I have here a support. And if I check to the left, I have this support inside this zone here. Okay, so I include to this body. And if I check to the right, this resistance is inside this resistance, so I will include these two. Okay, basically is like connecting points on the 4-hour. So as you can see, we have here the two zones, the resistance and the support. So now let's go to the 5 minutes, and the 5 minutes was my entry. So as you can see here from the calendar, I just have trades after the PMI, but if I have a setup before the PMI, I just don't trade for that day. So the news was at 10 a.m. So after this candle, as you can see, price rejected many times the 4-hour zone, and finally we have here resistance to buy from. As you can see, price after rejected the 4 hours just printed like many blue candles, and finally we have a breakout above not just the zone but also the moving average, and yeah, basically my entry was on the retest of this zone, 50 pips, and as you can see here, break and retest like so sniper entry, and look where price rejected, like from the moving average, just tapped and reversed to my TP. So was a clean shot, and as you can see, these 4-hour zones are powerful. Look, price came to the 4-hour support, and next came to the 4-hour resistance, and next again to the 4-hour, rejecting like many times. As you can see, look at this. These 4-hour zones are very crucial. So yeah guys, hope you understand the strategy. We started the mount very well with the win, clean shot, and hope you understand the trades that I showed you from the last mount. We finished with the 88% win rate, 12% gain was very good. So hope you enjoyed this strategy. It's very simple. You can replicate this every day. It's simple, no complex things like ICT, etc. So you have on my description of this video the link for my course or for my Discord. So if you want to just check more in detail how I trade, you have my course. If you want to trade with me and my other members and be in the community, like trade every day, like together, just join my Discord and be happy. So yeah, see you guys, and hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to help me to and motivate me to bring more videos. And yeah, leave the like and see you guys.